hostilities in the Gaza Strip and Israel. On 27 December, heavy Israel bombardment from air, land, and sea continued across most of the Gaza Strip. In the North, Gaza City and Jabalia were most affected. In the middle area, hostilities continued in the 4 refugee camps, Al-Buruyj, Al-Nusirat, Deir al-Balah, and Al-Maqazi. Simultaneously, Israel forces struck multiple targets in the southern cities of Khan Yunis and Rafah. Intense ground operations and fighting between Israeli forces and Palestinian armed groups also continued in most areas except for Rafah, as did the firing of rockets by Palestinian armed groups into Israel. Between 26 and 27 December, 195 Palestinians were reportedly killed and another 325 people were injured, according to the Ministry of Health (MOH) in Gaza. Between the afternoons of 26 and 27 December, no Israeli soldiers were reported killed in Gaza. Since the start of the ground operation, 162 soldiers have been killed and 898 soldiers have been injured in Gaza, according to the Israeli military. According to the World Health Organization (WHO), as of 27 December, 13 out of Gaza's 36 hospitals are partially functional, 9 in the south and 4 in the north. The 4 hospitals partially functional in the north have been offering maternity, trauma, and emergency care services. However, they face challenges such as a shortage of medical staff, including specialized surgeons, neurosurgeons, and intensive care staff, as well as a lack of medical supplies such as anesthesia, antibiotics, pain relief medicines, and external fixators. Additionally, they have an urgent need for fuel, food, and drinking water. The 9 partially functional hospitals in the south are operating at 3 times their capacity while facing critical shortages of basic supplies and fuel. According to the MOH in Gaza, occupancy rates are now reaching 206% in inpatient departments and 250% in intensive care units. On 25th of December, a team from the WHO visited Al-Aqsa Hospital in the middle area where many of the injured from the strike on Al-Maqazi camp were taken to assess the situation and heard harrowing accounts shared by health workers and patients alike. On 27 December, the WHO Director General appealed to the international community to take urgent steps to alleviate the grave peril facing the population of Gaza and jeopardizing the ability of humanitarian workers to help people with terrible injuries, acute hunger, and at severe risk of disease. According to the MOH in Gaza, between 7 October and 28 December, at least 21,110 Palestinians were killed in Gaza. About 70% of those killed are said to be women and children. As of 27 December, 55,243 Palestinians have been injured. Many people are missing, presumably buried under the rubble, with many still waiting for rescue or recovery. Stay tuned to our channel for the latest news about hostilities in the Gaza Strip and Israel.